Welcome back to my channel. If you want to transfer data from your phone to your system and you don't have a data cable or don't want to use one, then no worries. Because today, I'm going to show you how you can transfer data from your phone to your system wirelessly. So without wasting any time, let's head toward the video. Welcome to my channel, Technicio. First of all, we need to download a free app on our mobile. For that, I will go to the Play Store and search for FTP. Searching for simple FTP will bring up all the FTP server apps. But I will suggest the first one because it is simple, free, and I've tested it myself. If you scroll down, you will find others, but its user ratings are the best. Once the installation is complete, I will open the app and you will see the app's interface. If I go into the settings from here, you can change the port number yourself. You can turn anonymous access on or off. You can change the user ID and password. By default, it is Android. Besides this, you can turn the FTPS option on or off, configure SSL mode settings, share the root folder, turn the read-only option on so that no one can transfer data and can only view it, change the app theme, and lastly, choose whether the password is displayed on the app home screen or not. So, I will not make any changes, and we'll go back to the home screen and start the FTP server. The first time it will ask me for permission to manage all the files inside my mobile, so I will allow it, and it will start. From here, I will note down the server URL so I can access it from the system. And one more very important thing. To set up the FTP server, it is necessary that your system and mobile are on the same network. If you want to access it from an outside network, its settings are more complex, and I am explaining this method for an internal network, meaning the same internet connection. So, let me show you my Wi-Fi name. So now, I will take you to my system. Here, I will open File Explorer. Before moving forward, let me show you my Wi-Fi connection to confirm I am on the same network. The name is different here because Screw You is the 2.4 GHz band and Your Mobile Cannot Handle This is the 5 GHz band, but they are on the same network. So now I will go to File Explorer and type the server URL in the location bar. My server URL is ftp://192.168.1.9:2221. As soon as I press enter, my mobile's internal storage will appear right in front of you. From here, if I go into the Movies folder, you will find all my video files. Now I will copy this to my system. To do that, I will right-click on it and select Copy to Folder, then choose the destination folder here. As soon as I click OK, my file will start copying from the mobile to the system. Its speed will depend on your internet speed and Wi-Fi signal strength. If the speed is good and the signals are full, the files will copy quickly. Once the copy is complete, I will go to the destination and open the file. It will be 100% okay and will work perfectly. Now, if I copy a file from my system and paste it here into the phone, it will also work 100% perfectly on my mobile, provided the mobile supports that file type, like an APK file or a video, such as this recording that I'm copying. Once the copy is complete, I will now recheck on my mobile to see if that file has been copied into it or not. So let's go to the mobile screen. Here, first I will stop the server. Now I will go into the File Explorer, open the Movies folder in the internal storage. And here you can check my pasted recording. However, because it's high resolution, it might not play correctly in the default media player. So I will browse and open the video in VLC player. As you can see, it is okay and playing perfectly. Therefore, with this method, you can transfer data from your mobile to your system without any physical connection, wirelessly using an FTP server. In my next video, I will show you a free way to change your simple desktop into a live desktop. So don't miss my next video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Technicio, and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss an update from our channel. Together, let's end tech tantrums. Thank you.